the most wanted, the newest in the wanted line by Azzaro. We're gonna do a live unboxing and a first impression, something I've never done before. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris. This is the Well-Rounded Dude. We cover a whole bunch of topics. Today we're gonna go over one of my favorite topics again, fragrance. So guys, this is a blind buy for me. I've been a huge fan of the Wanted line. The first one is very cool, but it's the longevity on it isn't the greatest. And Wanted by Night is where it's really at. That's in Eau de Parfum and EDP. That one lasts quite a bit. This one is in Eau de Parfum Intense. If you guys remember, I showed you guys the different concentration levels. You can see that here. And this is supposed to be a little bit stronger, so we'll see. I got this from Macy's, and first impressions, oh yeah, all murdered out, all sexed out. The bush can hold that for right now. Sleek black bottle. It's looking pretty good. Cap, I mean, if you guys remember, Wanted's known for, like the gun, I guess not the barrel, but it's supposed to be like holding the bullets. And all their bottles look like that, but this one's in all black. But we're gonna test this out. Again, this is a blind buy for me, so you're gonna get my first impressions. That's it. Ooh, I like that a lot. Camera lady, what do you think? Do you like it?
Oh, I love it. Sexy.
Okay. All right, so my first impressions, it's got the same DNA as Wanted. I mean, it's obviously it's in the same line, so it's got the same DNA. But it's true, it's more intense. I really loved Wanted by Night. I think I like this one even more. This may be my new favorite. Yeah, so we're gonna take a couple minute break. You guys, with the magic of video editing, you won't see that. And then I'm gonna let it marinate, let my body chemistry kick in, and give you another opinion here in a second. And while we're at it, I'm gonna look up the notes. Okay guys, so I whipped out my phone so I can give you the notes, because you know I can never remember. Azzaro, the most wanted, has woody amber, cardamom, and caramel. It's an oriental accord. As a matter of fact, I'll read you what Azzaro says on their website. Azzaro, the most wanted, opens a new... Oh, maybe we won't do that. There's some words in here I don't know. But it's an oriental accord, creating an addictive, sophisticated, and magnetic trail, which is very true. About 10 minutes since I sprayed it. It's really got that Azzaro Wanted DNA. If you guys are a fan of that, you'll definitely like this. It's just more intense, and it definitely magnifies. I can't tell you about the sillage right now because obviously I just sprayed it 10 minutes ago, but I would assume, going by like how strong this is, like this is really intense. If you sprayed like 3 or 4 of the original Azzaro Wanted, you may just want to keep it to 2 sprays of the most wanted. But it is a very good scent, and so far the people around here have liked it so far. I've already gotten a couple compliments. While I've got you here, when shopping for a new fragrance, you guys can tell this is live when we have cars going around. Anyway, when shopping for a new fragrance, what I recommend you do, wear a t-shirt, spray one fragrance on your wrist and a different one on another, and wait about 15 minutes, and you'll get to a good idea if you like it or not. A lot of people just spray it on, smells good, I'll buy it. And then they spend hundreds of dollars on a bottle that they don't like. Give it a few minutes, once on each wrist. It's good because those are the pulse points. We talked about pulse points before. You can see that here, and it's a good rule for you guys to follow. Also too, when applying cologne, like I said, always hit your pulse points. I don't want to see you guys doing this. I don't want to see you guys like spraying it in the air and then walking underneath. Don't do that. That is just a waste of cologne altogether. Always hit your pulse points. Never run your clothing because there are oils in here and it can ruin your clothing. In closing, I think you guys should pick this up. If you're a fan of Wanted, if you like Wanted by Night, this is stronger than Wanted by Night. I was just saying off camera, if I had known that this was coming out, I wouldn't have purchased Wanted by Night, and I really do like Wanted by Night. So definitely pick this up. I think you guys will like it. It's got that same DNA. It's perfect. I think it can work for either day or night, evening. If you maybe a little too strong for the office, but it's definitely good for a date night. So guys, that's gonna do it for this review. I hope you liked it. Again, I really do like The Most Wanted by Azzaro. But please be sure to check us out on social media. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all the social media things. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm, okay? Please, drop a like on this video. Let me know if you've tried it. Did you like it? What's your favorite in the Wanted line? This is the fourth cologne that they've got, so let me know what you think. All right, guys? So please, also, check out the wellroundeddude.com. Use our discount code DUDE15. We'll get you 15% off of our merch page, and we will catch you in the next one. And we'll probably be indoors for that one because filming outside is kind of a pain. All right, peace.